Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case from Caseology. It's called a Skyfall case for the S23 Ultra. I will be reviewing that case today in this video. I need to give them a shout out for actually sending these cases out to me for review. Like we normally do my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does it fit well? Do you get lip protection, camera protection on there? Also, does it add bulk to your phone? And can you wireless charge? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. So if you want to pick it up, just look in the description. You can definitely do so. Nice presentation from Caseology. Just a normal looking box there. I'm gonna just show you all this color on this one and then review this one really. So let's get into it. It looks like it's clear, but then the outside is like a gray or black. But let's see. Now I've been using Caseology for many different cases. For many different phones, should I say. And it was nice enough to send these out to review, so let's see how they fit. Says, welcome to the club, happy to have you. Alright, so here's the case. It did have protective film, I just removed that. I love the extra grip on the sides, the little lines there. It gives you the grip or little patterns there. You have some Caseology branding. You have a little Caseology logo there. But let's see how this thing fits. Do you get lip protection? You get some. I would not slam my phone down, but you do get some protection there. The camera cutout, look how good they have their precise cutouts on that. Each camera hole is cut out. Then they have this little design too. Everything lines up at the bottom. The pen is easy to get out. I mean, look, everything lines up there. At the top, everything lines up there too. It shows off the beauty of your phone. The button, the power button is nice and tactile, easy to press. Same thing with the volume rockers. And the great thing about this case is it doesn't add bulk. This is like an everyday case that you can rock out with. And it doesn't add much bulk to your phone, and you get to use it. It's like a every single day case. Now, can you wireless charge? I don't think we'll have a problem. As you can tell, you can wireless charge without any issues. Let's track the overall fit. Pretty good. I mean, the bottom is a little loose though. I mean, look at that. I'm pulling it away, but it goes back. The main thing is, can you pull the case off? Look, see how it takes a little effort there to get it around the phone? And that's the main thing, because when you drop it, it's not just going to pop out of the case. So that is a very important thing. It takes a little bit to get it out there. And you can tell too that the phone pretty much comes up to even with that display too. And it doesn't add bulk, man. This is a nice case. The Skyfall. I love the cutouts. Look how precise you have to be. I wonder what type of machine they use to cut that out. That machine must be precise too, though. So this is the black one, or matte black. I don't know exact colors, but I will have the links in the description. Do y'all like this color, or do you like the other one? Let's pull that one out. Alright, so here, I love that purple. That's like an LSU purple there. Shout out to LSU Tigers. Hey, the women are the national NCAA champions. But look at that. I do like the purple on this one. I don't know, purple or the gray matte black, or whatever you want to call it, this gray color. I like that purple a lot, man. And it's going to fit the same. It's the same case, just a different color. They both show off the beauty of your phone. Again, if you want to pick up these cases, I will have the links in the description. You can get them from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.